We're going to talk about an exciting technique called the wish crafting technique. You will notice as we go through this material, wish crafting in goal setting is very similar to defining goals in project management. So I'll be drawing analogies between project management and goal setting as we go through this module. The wish crafting technique overview, the steps are as follows. Number 1, define the goal in writing. Number 2, have measurable parameters. Number 3, develop a schedule with a milestone chart. Number 4, build a work breakdown structure. Number 5, review progress at each milestone. And number 6, evaluate the results. We will go through each step sequentially with a little bit of explanation and example for each one. In the next slide, the example shows the work breakdown structure. The first part of this is simply org charting. All of you are familiar with organizational charts. What you do in a work breakdown structure is you simply list all the work, jobs, tasks, and tests that need to be done under each individual milestone. Some of the work will break down very nicely into separate parts like an organizational chart, or it may simply be a list of tasks. These would be put in a drop-down checklist. You simply list all the tasks or all the jobs that need to be done. On the right-hand side of your screen, you see milestone number 10 is simply a drop-down checklist. The fourth key to remember is it is not natural for most people to think big picture in goal setting. That is, thinking a goal through from start to finish. Most people are task-oriented and just think task to task inside a narrow box. They are called task thinkers or box thinkers. It becomes very difficult for them to think a project through from A to Z or start to finish, such as in building a milestone chart. They tend to be very good at certain segments or portions of the work breakdown structure, but the big picture, start to finish, is troublesome for most people. Think of a project recently recalled by the manufacturer. In almost every product recall, the mistake could have been caught much earlier in production if a quality control test was established at each milestone in production. Product recall is the most costly example of a failed project plan, a plan that was doomed from the start.